Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Burwood Park with one of my favourite clients, just having a catch up about a project. I wanted to share with you this pool heating system he's been trialling up here on our garden room. For everyone that's got a poolside room or a swimming pool, you must be aware of this product. It's amazing. It's called PoolSolar. This is the brand you can just see down there. And what's happening here is that the pipework has been diverted up from the original air source heat pump and then run around these pipes and then in through the mat system that you're seeing laid on the roof. Now, if I show you, go down here, this is literally just laid flat. Look, it just sits on top. Okay, the actual EPDM rubber is at the moment, we've got a probe there. It's 41 degrees. There's less than 20 underneath this mat. So what's happening is these mats are taking 20 degrees worth of water into the pool. The pool has been heating up an additional 8 degrees because of this system. And last year he got up to 34 degrees. Actually had to turn it off in the heat of that real hot spell. It's not a product I've ever seen before. It's so cost effective. This was less than £1,000 worth of kit plus the plumbing and the pipework. So for less than £2,000, you could have this all up and running. And therefore, this now has become the only way he heats this pool and the only one that's needed. I think it's a great option. If you've got a poolside room from us, you can just lay these on top. There's no fixings. It's just perfect, and you can get to utilize the heat. You're also gaining that addition of if you're taking the heat away from this roof, which actually reduces the temperature in the building as well, very slightly, because it's insulated roof, but you are absorbing and using the heat. So how about that? You heat your swimming pool for free with this system. I'll put some links up on this video, and yeah, if this is of interest, feel free to contact us and we'll help all we can to get your pool heated for free during the summer. Thank you.